Yes, folks, yes. We're live here from Panama. We just took the drone out today for an official flight test. Really, we wanted to capture the views of Panama. Awesome view, awesome view. First time visiting Panama, so it had a few surprises for me. Awesome. So I'd say my biggest surprise in Panama was the tide. You see, the tide comes from all the way in the left hand corner by that high rising building, and it withdraws all the way back to where you're seeing it now. Just about 2,000 feet of tide and twice per day. That was a big surprise for me. I've never seen tide like that. A lot of high rising buildings. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, this is a huge forest they got right in the center of the city. Panama is very beautiful. This was a flight duration test thing. From the apartment, I had sent the drone out short of 5 kilometers. Wow, look at the graphics. Nice. We just strolling through the city. It's very nice. I have to say these are some of the tallest buildings I have ever seen. And Panama, so funny because I haven't really seen this in Jamaica. You can have one of the tallest buildings. Look at the skyscraper. And right next to that building, you could have the smallest building. The landscaping is awesome. Right, coming right up front and center of your camera, dead center, all the way through. That's the famous Vista building in Panama. If you see some photos about Panama, you will definitely see that photo. Here we're going on another flight test. We wanted to fly all the way across the bridge. I wanted to see how far I could go if I could leave from one city to go into the next city and see if I would lose connection from the RC remote. The video is speed up just a little bit, so as you see the cars moving by, be aware of that. Come on and explore Panama with me. This video is for everyone who would like to see just a glimpse of Panama. Maybe you want to go visit Panama, but you're not very sure, kind of skeptical. Well, this video is not an illusion. It's the real deal. This is what Panama really looks like. Now we're over in the other city. My flight time to come over to the city was 13 minutes. That's my city, that's where I'm coming from. Just brings me back. I'd like to go back. I want to go back. You can see the tide is going back in. Yes, this is Panama at night. A city that never really sleeps. This video was taken in 1:30 thereabout in the morning, and the city was still alive. Vehicles in transit back and forth. famous bridge. City is very beautiful. Is this a trip that you'd take to visit Panama? If you would take a trip like that, hit me up in the comments. Yes, I'll link you up with a guy, my driver friend Hernan. Awesome guy. On the track.